Alright, everybody, so for this YouTube video, we're doing something a little different today. We're doing the 360 Jeezy every haircut challenge. And I was debating whether to do this or not, but I had the courage to do it. For those of you who don't know, I've been cutting hair for about 2.5 years to 3 years. And for the first year, it's really hard because you get used to the clippers, the motion, the flicking, the motor, or like the cordless, corded. There's so many things that go into it. What kind of clippers you need to get. What kind of trimmers you need to get. What kind of trimmers? I already said trimmers. What kind of like scissors? What kind of combs? How do you do maintenance and all that? But that doesn't matter. What we're doing right now is every haircut challenge, and I have 5 haircuts today. I work all week doing some family stuff. I do pool work. I find leaks in pools throughout the week, and in the weekends I dedicate myself to just cutting hair. So it's just a side hobby, and I learned from you, 360 GZ. So hopefully you react to this video and let me know what you think. I did learn all my tricks from you, from Blasio, mainly from you guys, and obviously just trial and error. So I want to show you how it progressed with the haircuts with this challenge. So remember, 5 haircuts. Let's get going. I got some diversity for you because I know you like that diversity. All right, let's get going.
That's 100 points.
Yeah. So many nights I was the cause of all my mother's tears. Wasn't trying to hear it, went the one and out the other ear. I done learned a lot about this life in just a couple years. Couple cheers, couple tears, I write them in couplets for the public to hear. Hard-headed like construction helmets. I'm up next is what you hear if you let my brothers tell it. Was it worth the pain and struggle? Only time will tell. It's like sometimes you have to lose it all to find yourself. And me, I be stargazing when I check myself out in the mirror. On that mother nature, feeling weightless, help me see shit clearer. I ain't no killer, but don't push me, pussy, pocket, spirit. Person of the people, pen game lethal, praying Parker hits. Nothing less than top 2, nothing less than top tier. So many hoes that want the chimney, thought there was Santa here. I'm lit and lifting chandelier, somebody get the cameras here. Dripping like I'm candle wax, I'm spinning facts, so get it clear. Never can be no bust. And I work from dawn.
So since my client has like a rare type of hair condition called alopecia, he wanted me to leave a lot of bulk on his left side so it wouldn't show as much. So I tried to blend it as much as I could without taking enough bulk. So that's why you're gonna see on the left side that I left it more bulkier than the other side, just so that his alopecia wouldn't show.
So many nights I will pray. So many nights I will pray. So many nights I will pray. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's 100 points.
Yeah. So many nights I was the cause of all my mother's tears. Wasn't trying to hear it, went the one and out the other ear. I done learned a lot about this life in just a couple years. Couple cheers, couple tears, I write them in couplets for the public to hear. Hard-headed like construction helmets. I'm up next is what you hear if you let my brothers tell it. Was it worth the pain?
Everyone, if you like the beat, this is by my boy DeepLD. He is an upcoming rapper in the Bay Area, and like I just relate so much to his music. There's just so much meaning to it. I'll put his link in the description below so you can go ahead and check out his new album that he just came out, and his new single So Many Nights that I'm just playing right now. So yeah, go show him some love and tell him that that Blends by Byron sent you.
So many hoes that want the chimney, thought there was Santa here. I'm lit and lifting chandelier, somebody get the cameras here. Dripping like I'm candle wax, I'm spinning facts, so get it clear. Never can be no bust, and I work from dawn to dusk. Till the day I turn to dust, I'ma leave y'all in my dust. Too many times I had to fight the feelings of being neglected. You don't have to understand it, but I demand you respect. That's just the way we go. Been up for a long time, grind till we on shine. That's just the way we go. It's alright, yeah, I got the dream, we gon' push it, we gon' ride. Yeah. So many nights I will pray. 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 Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. So many nights I was the cause of all my mother's tears. Wasn't trying to hear it, went the one ear out the other ear. I don't learn a lot about this life in just a couple years. Couple cheers, couple tears, I write them in couplets for the public to hear. Hard-headed like construction helmets. I'm up next is what you hear if you let my brothers tell it. Was it worth the pain and struggle? Only time will tell. It's like sometimes you have to lose it all to find yourself. And me, I be stargazing when I check myself out in the mirror. On that mother nature, feeling weightless, tell me see shit clearer. I ain't no killer.
Alright everybody, so that's the end of the haircut. It is currently 5:42 and I started working at 11. So doing this challenge it really did take a toll on me, you know, just cutting hair all day, recording, making sure your camera's in the right light, in the right position does take a little bit of time. So this was a challenge, but I'm glad I did it. So yeah, let me go ahead and let me know what all of you thought of the before and afters, and make sure to subscribe down there on that button right there, yeah, you see it, yeah, that one right there. But yeah, go ahead and like this video if you liked it. Subscribe for more videos. My name is Blends by Byron, and I'm out of here.
If I gave you all of me, would that be enough to make us last forever? If I gave